Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a frustrating issue that many Windows users face: your desktop icons suddenly disappearing. Whether it's after a system update or just a random glitch, it's annoying not to see your files and shortcuts. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through simple, step-by-step fixes that work on the latest Windows versions, like Windows 11 or 2025 editions. This video is all about getting your desktop back to normal quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, the easiest fix is to restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches. Go ahead and shut down your PC, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Check if your icons reappear. If not, let's move to the next step. Next, right-click on your desktop and select View from the menu. Make sure Show Desktop Icons is checked. If it's already selected, uncheck it and then check it again to refresh the display. This often does the trick for minor display issues. If that doesn't work, we'll use the Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open it, then find Windows Explorer under the Processes tab. Right-click it and select Restart. This will reload the desktop shell and might bring your icons back. For more persistent problems, open the command prompt as an administrator. Search for CMD in the Start menu, right-click, and run as admin. Type sfc scan now, and hit Enter. This command scans for and repairs corrupted system files, which could be causing the icons to vanish. Another effective method is to reset the icon cache. In the command prompt, type ie4unit.xshow and press Enter, then restart your computer. This clears and rebuilds the icon database. Once you've tried these steps, your icons should be visible again. Remember, if you're on Windows 2025 or a newer build, always keep your system updated to prevent such issues. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Windows tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.